Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edu Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. And right about now, it's about time we talk about this bad boy. It's about time we talk about this bad boy, man. Yo, so what else? What else? Let's do the unboxing, man. So, it's gonna be really a fast unboxing, okay? Yeah, so this bad boy got 1200 milliamp battery and 7 watts, which is very good. Charging time 1.5 hour and using time 180 minutes. Okay, so let's go. You got your manual, you got your cable, and I really love this. This is USB Type C. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 guards. You got your little brush. Okay, go in, boy. We ain't got no time, man. So let's take a good look at this bad boy. This is Kemei KM 2918. Don't forget that. A really powerful trimmer, So on the back side, nothing really special, just a DC 3.2 volts, 7 watts, then 1200 milliamp, charging time 1.5 hour. That's it, and it looks like this. Yeah, I really like this. Really like it. If you want to change the blade, very easy. So I already zero gap the blade, man. I have to tell you, it's really sharp, man. Really sharp. See that? Almost like a Andy Slimline Pro Li, but with skeleton. So that means Andy Slimline Pro Li blade can fit. Because I tried it already. I changed it, and I tried it. It fits. So, what do you say, guys? You like it? One thing I don't really like, it's plastic body. You hear that? It's hollow inside somehow. So I don't really like the plastic body. Somehow it's like a lipstick, huh? So let's turn it on. You feel the power, guys? See that? It got power, man. Believe me. And it cuts really good. It's very powerful. See that? It is good. So, I guess that's it for the unboxing. Peace, man.